So hello, good day. Again, this is your Neville RC, your Equipino. So I would like to say congrats and good luck to our creation because since sa kadugdugoy yung napihinulat sa pagpugong-pugong kay bawal pa i-post, so ma-post na dyan natin itong creation, no? Did na flex na po siya. So again, thank you so much for trusting Sir Paul from Llano del Norte for wearing our creation, which is the Gonas Decenius creation. So good luck! So again, don't forget to support our candidate, Sir Paul Anthony Terro from Kapatagan, Llano del Norte, her journey for Ginoong Pilipinas. So again, thank you so much for watching and